Alrighty, good morning. For those of you who are wondering what's going on, we are in Hawaii. We're in Oahu. As you can see, the sun is cresting up eventually over the mountain behind us, and a lot of greenery. And as you can hear that? There are a lot of chickens and roosters. They grow wild here, and we've seen them in the city, we've seen them in the rural areas by the house, and you can hear them every morning at 5:30ish, and I don't know what they're talking about, but they have a lot to say. And it's only been a couple of days here, but I can already recognize some of the roosters, and the closest one, he's always in the same tree, the one that's far, and then you have another one out over there that sounds like it's half dead, and you've got another one over. See, that's our closest one. And it's going to take some getting used to, but apparently Hawaii has chickens. It's going to take a little bit to get used to. So anyway, it's very interesting stuff. Yeah. All right, so that's our morning wake-up call, and all the birds, and here in paradise. It continues. First we had roosters. Now we have chickens. Gotta love it.